What does a tiger do? Hey, monkey. What's a tiger?
Tiger.
Rawr.
What is a monkey? Look at your spoon.
Monkey.
That's great. That's a great monkey
What does
impersonation.
the doggy say?
Woof, woof, woof.
What does the kitty cat say?
Meh.
Meow.
And what does the horsey say?
Neigh.
Nay, nay.
What does a lion say?
What, like a tiger? Does a lion roar like a tiger?
Say rah.
Rawr.
What does a fishy say?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah. Why can't I think of other animals? What does a sheep say?
Bah.
Bah.
What does a cow say?
Moo. Moo. Moo.
You know an elephant? What does an elephant say? That's a hard one.
I don't know what an elephant says. What does the mommy say?
Mama.
No. What does it say? What does mommy say?
I think he just called you a cougar.
Cow say moo. What does the bus driver say?
Moo. Come. Moo. Moo.
What does the mommy say?
Moo. Moo.
Doesn't a mommy say shh?
Mama. Chill, Mama.
Okay.
I'm done.
All done.